an innovative cloud-based application to inspect and maintain your bus using a mobile-first approach. Bus Inspection and Maintenance app is used by schools, universities and corporates worldwide in 75 countries and 10+ languages. Keep your vehicles up and running 24/7 with direct cost savings. Using traditional ways, the inspection and maintenance of bus can be very tiring and time-consuming. It reduces efficiency, productivity and costs lots of money. No more paperwork, no phone calls or chasing people. All digital records available anywhere, anytime for audit and compliance. Reduce overall maintenance cost within weeks and ensure compliance, safe operating environment for your workforce. Bus Inspection and Maintenance app empowers all fleet members with an innovative app including traditional desktop portal. Integrated inspection and maintenance ensures one-click creation of work order from inspection fault findings. Average, our customers can reduce downtime by 34%, increase productivity by 17% and reduce maintenance and repair cost by up to 20%. Achieve in less than 3 months. Bus Inspection Maintenance app, a better way to inspect and maintain all kinds of vehicles.